Rampur, a village economy. 10th class, 9th chapter, social studies. Part 2 bits. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your students. Agriculture surplus sell at the market yard in Jahangirabad, Rampur, Lucknow, Raiganj. Correct answer, Raiganj. The first tube wells were installed by the government almost how many years ago? 50, 60, 10 years, 100 years. Correct answer, 50 years ago. Wooden cart drawn by buffaloes is called tongas, bogies, kota, motors, mota. Correct answer, tongas, bogies. White revolution is associated with agriculture, milk, fish, pesticides. Correct answer, milk. Raw material and money is called which capital? Working capital, fixed capital, permanent capital, physical capital. Correct answer, working capital. What is the main factor of production in agriculture sector? Land, capital, labor, technology. Correct answer, land. The non-farm activities are small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, all. Correct answer, all. 3 options are correct. Potato cultivation takes place in which months? January to March, October and December, April and June, July to September. Correct answer, October and December. Rampur farmers grow potatoes as the dash crop. Third crop, second crop, first crop, fourth crop. Correct answer, third crop. During which season farmers grow jowar and bajra? Summer, rainy season, winter season, none. Correct answer, rainy season. Which of the following is the fixed capital? Fertilizers, pesticides, seeds, tools and machines. Correct answer, tools and machines. More than one crops are grown on the same piece of land during a year is called multiple cropping, modern farming, white revolution, green revolution. Correct answer, multiple cropping. Well irrigated region in our country? Coastal regions, river plains, A and B, none. Correct answer, A and B. Sugarcane or jaggery is sold to traders in Jahangirabad, Rampur, Uttar Pradesh, Raiganj. Correct answer, Jahangirabad. Physical capitals includes machines, tube wells, tools, all. Correct answer, all. 3 options are correct. Dash were used by farmers to draw water from the well and irrigated small area. Persian wheels, machines, motors, none. Correct answer, Persian wheels. Agriculturally prosperous region is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, all. Correct answer, all. A, B, C options are correct. Winter crop season is also known as Kharif, Rabi, Dalwa, Jayad. Correct answer, Rabi. Rainy crop season is also known as Rabi, Kharif, Jayad, none. Correct answer, Kharif. Most of the irrigation in India is based on underground water, rainwater, tank water, lake water. Correct answer, underground water. Example of Rabi crops: wheat, paddy. A and B both are correct. None. Correct answer, A, B both are correct. Example of kharif crops: jowar, bajra, ragi, all. Correct answer, all. Three options are correct. In 2010, the land under cultivation is 140 million hectares, 150 million hectares, 160 million hectares, 130 million hectares. Correct answer, 140 million hectares. The money required for machines and buildings is called physical capital, fixed capital. A and B both are correct. None. Correct answer, A and B both are true. The money required for the purchase of raw materials and payment of salaries to laborers is working capital, physical capital, fixed capital, none. Correct answer, working capital. The items required to produce goods and services is called factors of production, factors of reasons, aim of production, none. Correct answer, factors of production. Farmers who have more than 2 hectares of land is called medium farmers, large farmers. A and B both are correct. None. Correct answer, A, B both are correct. Expand MGNREGA. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Mahatma National Rural Employee Guardian Act, Mahatma Nationality Employment Guarantee Act, none. Correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. A option correct.